Ancient Greek theater had its roots in religious festivals honoring the god Dionysus. The Dionysia festival, held in Athens, featured dramatic performances as early as the 6th century before Common Era. The theater was an integral part of Greek culture, with citizens attending plays to honor their gods and reflect on societal issues. The Theater of Dionysus in Athens could hold up to 17,000 people, showcasing the immense popularity of theater in ancient Greece. The plays were performed in open-air amphitheaters, with elaborate costumes, masks, and a chorus to provide commentary and engage the audience. Sophocles, one of the most renowned playwrights, wrote over 120 plays, with only 7 surviving to this day. Aeschylus, known as the father of tragedy, introduced the idea of multiple actors on stage, transforming Greek theater. The plays often explored themes of fate, morality, and the struggles of humanity, resonating with the audiences of the time. The comedy genre emerged as a response to the tragedies, providing a lighter form of entertainment that satirized politicians, philosophers, and societal norms. Aristophanes, a prominent comic playwright, used humor to critique the political climate and challenge the status quo. The theater was not only a form of entertainment, but also a platform for social and political discourse, shaping public opinion and influencing the collective consciousness of Greek society. The origins of drama in ancient Greece can be traced back to the religious rituals dedicated to the god Dionysus. The Dionysia festival, celebrated in honor of Dionysus, the god of wine and fertility, was a crucial event where dramatic performances took center stage. Interestingly, the festival featured both tragic and comedic elements, showcasing the diverse range of theatrical expressions in Greek society. It is estimated that the Dionysia festival dates back to as early as the 6th century, before Common Era, making it one of the oldest known theatrical traditions in the Western world. The Theater of Dionysus in Athens, the birthplace of Greek drama, could accommodate a staggering audience of up to 17,000 spectators, highlighting the immense popularity and significance of theater in ancient Greek culture. The art of drama was not only a form of entertainment, but also a communal experience that brought together citizens from all walks of life. The plays were performed in open-air amphitheaters, with actors wearing elaborate costumes and masks to portray various characters. The chorus, a group of performers who provided commentary and reflection, played a crucial role in engaging the audience and enhancing the overall theatrical experience. The origins of drama in ancient Greece laid the foundation for the development of theatrical conventions and storytelling techniques that continue to influence modern theater. Through the lens of mythology, morality, and human experience, Greek drama explored profound themes that resonated with audiences and sparked intellectual discourse. The evolution of drama from its humble beginnings in religious rituals to elaborate theatrical productions marked a transformative period in the cultural history of ancient Greece, shaping the artistic landscape for generations to come. Tragedy held a significant role in ancient Greek society, serving as a powerful medium for exploring complex themes and emotions. One of the most renowned tragedians of the time was Euripides, who wrote over 90 plays, with only 19 surviving to this day. His works, such as Medea and the Trojan Women, delved into issues of revenge, betrayal, and the consequences of human actions. Another prominent tragedian, Aeschylus, is credited with introducing the concept of a second actor on stage, revolutionizing Greek theater. Aeschylus' trilogy, the Oresteia, is considered a monumental work in the history of tragedy, exploring themes of justice, vengeance, and the evolution of civilization. Sophocles, known for his plays Oedipus Rex and Antigone, was a master of dramatic irony and psychological depth, captivating audiences with his intricate plots and moral dilemmas. Tragedy was not merely entertainment, but a reflection of the societal values and beliefs of ancient Greece. The tragic performances were not limited to Athenian festivals. They were also staged in other Greek cities, showcasing the widespread influence of this art form. The masks worn by actors in Greek tragedy served multiple purposes, including amplifying the actors' voices, conveying emotions, and representing different characters. The use of masks also allowed actors to portray multiple roles in a single play, adding depth and complexity to the storytelling. Tragedy was a cathartic experience for the audience, evoking a range of emotions and prompting introspection on the human condition. The structure of a typical Greek tragedy consisted of three main elements: the prologue, where the background of the story was established; the parados, featuring the entrance of the chorus and their initial song; and the episodes, which included the dialogues and actions of the characters. The role of the chorus in Greek tragedy cannot be understated. Comprising singers and dancers, the chorus provided commentary, context, and emotional resonance to the unfolding drama. The chorus also represented the collective voice of the community, offering insights into the moral implications of the characters' decisions. Tragedy was not just a form of entertainment, but a means of education and moral instruction for the citizens of ancient Greece. Through the portrayal of flawed heroes, tragic outcomes, and divine interventions, Greek tragedy encouraged contemplation on ethical dilemmas, personal responsibility, and the consequences of hubris. The enduring legacy of Greek tragedy is evident in its continued influence on literature, theater, and philosophy. The themes and motifs explored in ancient Greek tragedies resonate with audiences to this day, highlighting the timeless relevance of this art form. Greek theater flourished during the Golden Age of Athens, producing a plethora of talented playwrights whose contributions continue to shape the landscape of drama. One of the most esteemed figures in ancient Greek theater is Sophocles, known for his mastery of tragic storytelling and profound exploration of human nature. Sophocles wrote over 120 plays during his lifetime, with only 7 surviving to the present day. His most famous works, including Oedipus Rex and Antigone, are celebrated for their intricate plots, moral complexity, and timeless themes. Another prominent playwright, Euripides, was a trailblazer in challenging traditional conventions and delving into the psychological depths of his characters. Euripides wrote approximately 90 plays, of which 19 have been preserved. His plays, such as Medea and the Trojan Women, are characterized by their strong female protagonists and thought-provoking narratives. Aeschylus, often referred to as the father of tragedy, introduced significant innovations to Greek theater, such as the addition of a second actor on stage. Aeschylus's trilogy, the Oresteia, is a seminal work that explores themes of justice, revenge, and the evolution of societal norms. He is credited with elevating Greek tragedy to new heights through his powerful storytelling and philosophical insights. Aristophanes, a master of Greek comedy, used satire and humor to critique the political and social issues of his time. Aristophanes wrote over 40 plays, of which 11 survive. His comedies, such as Lysistrata and The Clouds, are renowned for their sharp wit, clever wordplay, and scathing commentary on Athenian society. Menander, a playwright of the new comedy genre, focused on everyday life and domestic relationships in his works. Menander's comedies emphasized realistic characters and situations, paving the way for the development of comedic storytelling in later centuries. While the exact number of plays written by Menander is uncertain, his influence on the genre of comedy in ancient Greece is undeniable. These key playwrights of ancient Greece left a lasting legacy on the world of theater, inspiring generations of artists and playwrights to come. Their contributions not only enriched the cultural tapestry of ancient Greece, but also continue to resonate with audiences around the globe, reminding us of the enduring power of storytelling and the human experience. Comedy in ancient Greek theater evolved as a response to the somber themes of tragedy, offering a lighter form of entertainment that satirized societal norms and political figures. Aristophanes, one of the most celebrated comic playwrights of the time, wrote over 40 plays, with 11 surviving to this day. His comedies were known for their clever wordplay, bawdy humor, and scathing critique of contemporary Athenian society. Interestingly, Aristophanes often used fantastical elements, such as talking animals and mythical creatures, to heighten the comedic effect of his plays. Another key figure in the evolution of Greek comedy was Menander, who specialized in new comedy, focusing on everyday life and domestic relationships. Menander's works were immensely popular, with over 100 plays attributed to him, although only a handful have survived. The structure of Greek comedy typically included a chorus, similar to tragedy, but with a more light-hearted and satirical tone. The chorus in comedy provided commentary on the action, engaged in humorous banter with the characters, and added musical interludes to enhance the comedic atmosphere. Greek comedy often featured stock characters, such as the clever slave or the braggart soldier, who embodied recognizable traits and behaviors for comedic effect. Comic playwrights in ancient Greece also incorporated elements of parody, satire, and farce into their works, creating a rich tapestry of humor that resonated with audiences of the time. The evolution of comedy in ancient Greek theater not only provided entertainment but also served as a mirror to society, reflecting its values, contradictions, and absurdities in a playful and engaging manner. Greek comedy, particularly the works of playwright Aristophanes, was renowned for its satirical elements that targeted prominent figures and societal norms of ancient Athens. Aristophanes' plays often featured exaggerated characters and situations to highlight the absurdities of politics, philosophy, and social conventions. One of the most famous examples of satirical humor in Greek comedy is found in Aristophanes' play, The Clouds, where the character Socrates is depicted as a buffoonish figure, poking fun at the philosopher's unconventional teachings and eccentric behavior. Another significant aspect of Greek comedy was the use of sexual innuendos and bawdy humor to entertain and shock audiences. Aristophanes' play Lysistrata is a prime example of this, as it revolves around a group of women who withhold sex from their husbands to end the Peloponnesian War, using their sexuality as a weapon for peace. The satirical nature of Greek comedy extended beyond individual characters to critique broader social issues such as war, democracy, and gender roles. For instance, Aristophanes' play, The Birds, satirizes political corruption and human greed by portraying a utopian society created by birds who outwit the gods. The satirical elements in Greek comedy were not merely for entertainment. They served as a means of political commentary, social critique, and reflection on the human condition. The comedic genre allowed playwrights to push boundaries, challenge authority, and question societal norms through humor and wit. Despite the passage of centuries, the satirical elements in Greek comedy continue to resonate with audiences today, showcasing the enduring power of humor as a tool for social commentary and cultural reflection. Greek theater served as a powerful platform for political and social commentary, allowing playwrights to critique contemporary issues and challenge the status quo. One striking example of political commentary in Greek theater can be found in Aristophanes' play, The Knights, where the playwright satirizes the political figure Cleon, portraying him as a corrupt and tyrannical leader. The play was a direct critique of the political landscape of Athens, highlighting the playwright's boldness in addressing sensitive topics through humor and satire. Another notable aspect of political commentary in Greek theater was the portrayal of societal injustices and inequalities. For instance, Euripides' play, The Trojan Women, sheds light on the devastating consequences of war and the plight of women in times of conflict. The play serves as a poignant commentary on the human cost of war and the suffering endured by innocent civilians. Greek theater also provided a platform for challenging societal norms and conventions, particularly in relation to gender roles and relationships. In Lysistrata, Aristophanes presents a radical concept where women withhold sex to end the Peloponnesian War, subverting traditional gender dynamics and highlighting the power of unity in achieving peace. The use of comedy and satire in addressing political and social issues allowed Greek playwrights to engage with audiences on a deeper level, fostering critical thinking and dialogue. The impact of Greek theater as a tool for social and political commentary is evident in the enduring relevance of these plays, which continue to resonate with audiences today. The satirical elements, bold critiques, and thought-provoking themes explored in Greek theater highlight the enduring power of storytelling as a means of challenging authority, inspiring change, and reflecting the complexities of the human experience. Theater played a significant role in shaping democracy and citizenship in ancient Greece. The theatrical performances not only entertained audiences, but also served as a form of civic engagement, fostering a sense of community and shared values. In fact, attending the theater was considered a civic duty for citizens, reinforcing their connection to the cultural and political life of the city-state. The Theater of Dionysus in Athens, with its capacity to hold thousands of spectators, provided a space for citizens to come together and participate in collective experiences. The plays performed at the theater often addressed political themes and societal issues, encouraging critical thinking and dialogue among the audience. Interestingly, the chorus in Greek theater, composed of Athenian citizens, represented the voice of the community and contributed to the democratic nature of the performances. The influence of theater on democracy can be seen in the fact that the Athenian government sponsored theatrical productions as part of religious festivals, emphasizing the importance of the arts in civic life. The concept of citizenship was also intertwined with theater, as citizens were expected to actively engage with the themes presented in the plays and reflect on their own roles in society. The democratic ideals of equality, freedom of speech, and civic participation were reflected in the inclusive nature of Greek theater, where both the elite and common citizens could come together to enjoy the performances. The cultural impact of theater on democracy and citizenship in ancient Greece highlights the enduring power of the arts to inspire civic engagement, foster social cohesion, and provoke meaningful discussions on the responsibilities of citizenship. The legacy of ancient Greek theater continues to influence modern society in profound ways. The concept of tragedy, with its exploration of complex human emotions and moral dilemmas, is evident in contemporary plays, films, and literature. Comedy, with its use of satire and humor to critique societal norms, has shaped the genre of comedy in modern entertainment. The structure of Greek theater, including the use of masks, chorus, and amphitheaters, has inspired theatrical conventions that are still utilized today. The enduring popularity of Greek myths and characters such as Oedipus and Medea highlights the timeless appeal of ancient Greek drama. The impact of Greek theater on democracy, citizenship, and social commentary resonates in modern discussions on politics, ethics, and culture. Ancient Greek theater, with its origins in religious festivals honoring Dionysus, evolved to become a cornerstone of Greek culture. The Theater of Dionysus in Athens could accommodate up to 17,000 spectators, showcasing the immense popularity of drama in ancient Greece. Playwrights like Sophocles, Euripides, and Aristophanes contributed to the rich tapestry of Greek theater, with themes ranging from tragic fate to comedic satire. The political and social commentary in Greek theater challenged societal norms and encouraged civic engagement, reflecting the democratic ideals of ancient Greece. The enduring legacy of Greek theater is evident in its influence on modern storytelling, with elements of tragedy and comedy still shaping literature, film, and theater today. The cultural impact of Greek theater on democracy, citizenship, and social discourse continues to inspire audiences around the world.